So what does a chair, a wall, and an overhang have in common? Well, my design. Let's find out. So here is my first drawing of my wall chair overhang design, where basically the chair slides up and down and the overhang raises up and down. There's a pulley system, there's a water movement system, and I'll show you more of those. In this sketch, I focus mainly on the chair mechanics. The top right corner shows the chair in a vertical folded position, which is the lower. Bottom right corner, it now is in a chair form that pulls on a rope that's attached to a pulley system. In this design shows pulley system with the overhang, and it shows how the rope works with the pulley. The rope lifts the overhang to its position as you push down on the peg that's at the top of the chair. Here's a sketch of how I'm going to build the chair, and in the right side of the video it shows the model that I've created so far of the chair, where it's loose and it can fold and straighten and all that. Here you can see me shooting water up into the sky and the sunlight hitting it. In the same way, there will be massive dripping of water falling from my overhang, which will glitter and sparkle as focused light hits it. Uh-oh, Coco's getting tired of waiting for my first model, so it's time to show what I've created so far. This is interesting, you would say, but what's the real purpose of this? Is it mechanical? Is it an aesthetic interest that I have? And I would have to say it's a combination of both. Imagine that you're in a hotel and you see this neat chair that's connected to a wall, and so you go over and you lower the chair, which automatically raises this overhang above you. You sit down on the chair, and that triggers a flow of water on the overhang to cascade over in front of you. As the water droplets are falling, the focused light hits the water droplets and causes them to sparkle and shimmer, and so it kind of takes you back to watching a thunderstorm, where you're watching the rain pour and everything drip, and add to that the light shimmering and the play of light, and it's just a neat architectural design. In the next video, I plan to introduce the hydraulics that is also part of this whole contraption process. So that's what I got so far on this idea. So that pretty much wraps it up for part one of my three-part series. As I've mentioned before, week one is devoted to just exploring ideas. Week two is developing models and fleshing out the whole concept, and week three is refining everything. Stay tuned for the next video. Come, I think, Monday of next week. It's going to be interesting, and like always, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.